Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a pagination bar to your Wix website. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to help visitors navigate through multiple pages of content like blog posts, galleries, or product listings, making their browsing experience much smoother and more organized. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. When you click this, a drop-down selection will appear with various options related to your website management. This is where you'll access the specific site you want to edit. From here, you can preview the website settings you have. Take a moment to make sure that this is indeed the website you wish to add a pagination bar to. If you manage multiple sites, it's always good to double check that you're working on the correct one before making any changes. Now, from this page, locate the Edit Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, which makes it easy to spot. Click on this button to proceed to the editing interface. You will now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your main workspace where all the design and functionality modifications happen. From here, start by locating the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This button is your gateway to all the different elements and features you can incorporate into your website. The Add Element menu will expand, presenting you with all the elements you can use and add to customize your website design and function. You'll see categories like text, images, buttons, and more. From here, locate the Interactive Element category and click on it. Interactive elements are great for adding dynamic functionality that engages your visitors. Under the Interactive Elements, you'll see the Pagination Bar option. Click on it, and you'll notice that a pagination bar element appears that you can work with. Simply drag the pagination bar to your website canvas wherever you'd like it positioned. Once you drop it onto the canvas, the pagination bar is now added to your page, and you can further customize its appearance and settings to match your website's design. And that's it, you've successfully added a pagination bar to your Wix website, giving your visitors an easy way to navigate through multiple pages of content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.